Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making vegan gluten-free pancakes with peach jam. It's the best option for summer breakfast if you want to treat yourself to something sweet and tasty. First, prepare 125 grams of gluten-free flour. I've used corn flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 240 milliliters vegan milk. In a bowl, mix all dry ingredients and stir to combine. In a liquid mixture in a cup, add milk, lemon juice and stir it. Pour the liquid mixture into the dry mixture and whisk until smooth. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Pour butter onto a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. When the top begins to bubble, flip the pancake and cook until golden. For peach jam, you need 150 grams of peach, pated and cut into chunks, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 6 grams of sugar. Add peaches and lemon juice to a medium saucepan. Bring to boil over medium-high heat using a spatula or masher to crush peaches to the desired consistency. Reduce heat to medium, add sugar, bring peaches back to boil, stirring frequently. Continue to boil and stir until peaches reduce anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. Jam should stick to a spoon when lifted and turned sideways. Then let it cool at least for 1 hour.